I traded ticker symbol HX today. Very weird stock today. A little weird, but I'm still able to come out with a profit. I was shorting it, I think, up here. I don't know if I even use. I think I was shorting over here, and for some reason I only got 100 shares, and it wasn't even worth it. So I just market ordered that shit and covered on that shit, and then I don't know, somewhere in here I shorted. I think it was over here. Don't remember, but it had to have been over here. So I probably shorted here or here. Yeah, I remember now. I shorted right here with the risk of high day. I was short about 400 shares at $1 or 99 cents with a high day, so I had like a 15-cent risk. So with 400 shares, it's like $60. And then it squeezed up even higher past my risk. It got to a point it hit 10.08. I mean $1.08, and I was down 8 cents per share. And then it had this tank right here, or this panic, where it just fell, breaking past these higher lows. And I was up about $130.
Trading connection lost.
Around here, I kept telling myself, around here I kept telling myself to cover. I didn't want to cover. I was just being more patient. I just wanted to be patient. For some reason in my head, I don't know, I keep expecting every trade to just fade for the rest of the day, and I need to learn the statistics on that, because it's not helping me to just assume every stock is gonna fade just the way I want it to. So I started bouncing every step of the way. I got a chance to cover again at a lower point right here, and then this is on right here, and I couldn't. I just didn't. So I covered somewhere around here at the highest point over here, or somewhere here at a high point.
Trading connection reestablished.
And then I left it alone for the rest of the day. I came back at 3 o'clock to watch the markets, and this happened. Another moment where, I leave my computer in the middle of the day during like lunchtime, where everybody goes to lunch, and when I come back, I missed the opportunity. Another example of me not keeping up with the market, and the stock squeezed. I mean, I was already out, which is good. I made $90, but it squeezed, and of course I could have probably longed the squeeze, because you can clearly see an ABCD pattern here, which I can easily long, even though I don't like longing as much. If not, I could have shorted somewhere here or here. I probably would have got faked out right here. But you just have to cover. You have to be disciplined enough to cover. But I could have shorted up around here or here, and played it. But now it's squeezing up to higher highs. All day today, my internet hasn't been working, and this chart hasn't been very liquid. It's been liquid, but it's not like updating. So you'll see this gap up right here, this gap right here, and this gap right here. And it's like I was watching this stock, and it's as if the trend wasn't ticking. The symbol wasn't ticking. And it was just very weird to me how it would sit at one price for like 5 minutes and then move. It was just very weird. But I traded it and I made $90 and I missed another opportunity, but that's okay. I just would like to be more disciplined in that area where, you know, if I decide to like leave my computer, take a break, I need to make sure that I go back and or just keep a one eye on it, or look at it while I'm on my phone while I'm doing other stuff. Don't just completely neglect the stock because something else can happen. But my goal tomorrow is to trade it. Most likely it might have a gap down, or might have a spike. It's coming down a little bit now, but hopefully, you know, it stays strong throughout the end of the day, which is like in the next 30 minutes. It stays strong. If it pulls back, I don't want it to pull back too much because I want to be able to short it the next day. You know, if it has a gap down, or if it has a gap up and spikes, you know, that just, the more the merrier, the better. The higher it goes, the better, because it's gonna have a harder fall later on. So I want to keep my eyes on this stock. Gritani has taught me to like really keep an eye on it. There's more opportunity the next day, so that's what I would like to do.